what they did was they didn't make a photo school anymore. They were just like, oh, the first week na lang, just finish your whatever like you weren't able to do, expanded Wednesday. So like your whatever your schedule is now.
Wait, here or ano? Dito? TikTok or sa Rainbow app? Wow! I'm live na.
Ay, you're live.
Yeah, but I can move naman. Should I go live here or sa Rainbow app?
There,
Let's ask them.
TBH.
We're setting up right now.
Where did you announce that?
Yeah. Nag-announce ako sa Rainbow app eh.
Pero mas maganda rin siyang TikTok, TBH.
Saan nyo gusto mag-live? Dito or sa ano?
Ay, tanungin mo sila.
Saan nyo gusto mag-live? Dito or sa Rainbow app? Dito. Guys, are you guys coming tomorrow? We're setting up right now actually. There's too much chairs there. Let's move it kaya. Lipat natin yung chairs dito. Guys, pupunta kayo. So, to those who don't know yet what's happening tomorrow, we have a garage sale of pre-loved items from my team and I and some of my friends too. So, it's located here at Pioneer X Studio. So you guys can check out a lot. So you guys can check out a lot of, our pre-love items. So we're gonna start tomorrow at 12 noon. So magkita-kita tayo. Hello. Are you guys coming? Price range, guys. Grabe talaga, minark down. Super. But all the proceeds will go to a charity. So it's shopping for a cause. We're setting up right now. Punta kayo tomorrow. Diba kita nyo ba ako? Hindi. Saan? Here at Pioneer X Studio. Mawi-waze nyo siya or Google Maps. So please drop by. We are starting tomorrow. I'll be here at 12 p.m. tomorrow until I don't know what time yet. Pero matagal for sure. Ang dami na. We have a lot of clothes and stuff here. Plus, ano siya, may stuff din from Mama Jake, Miss A, from my friends. So, merong clothes for everyone. Fashion items, everything for everyone. Guys, kailangan na natin sila isabit. The clothes. Should we hang it na?
Are these the ones you're gonna have?
We're gonna set up all the racks first. So we're setting up right now. Can I just show them? Ito pa lang ang nalalatag namin. Mapupuno pa tong buong to. Until dito. Sa likod. Sobrang daming gamit. Wait, Mom! Ito pa lang? Madami pa yan. Ito yung nasa car natin. Nadala. They're asking for the price.
Price range. You have a price range.
Price range? We have 50 pesos. That's our lowest, I would say. Ano ba? We won't go above, and I don't know yung sa iba eh. But you guys can check out tomorrow. Guys can drop by here. We'll start at 12, p.m. And then, hanggang, anong oras tayo tomorrow, Mom? Until what time? 7 p.m.? But we might extend. Depends. Depends. Yeah, garage sale for a cause. You know, a lot of these clothes nga, a lot of them I haven't used. Pero some of them nagamit ko. Alam niyo yung feeling na, grabe, ang hirap talaga pala pinili ko siya isa-isa. Even the ones that I use na. Sabi ko, ang hirap. Parang na-attach ako dun sa bagay. Location. It's at Pioneer X Studio. I posted it on my Rainbow app. Anyway, guys, I'll go in 5 minutes. I just wanted to invite you all. I hope you guys can make it. I'll be here tomorrow. Plus, oh my God, yung sa tali, yung first
First 80.
Yeah, first
First 80 people.
First 80 people. Okay, we have a special announcement from Tali. First 80 people
To register at the venue.
to register here at the venue will receive an exclusive gift from Tali. So, paunahan. Joke lang.
Yung bibili.
Yeah. Plus, garage sale shoppers can enjoy an exclusive TikTok shop discount on selected items. So, first 80 people, guys, you have a special gift from Tali. Kasha ba gamit? Oh my gosh. Ang dami. So I'll see you guys here tomorrow. Guys, if you guys are coming tomorrow, please press 1. If not, press 2. Wow! Ayan, I saw Nika said 1. I'll see you tomorrow, Nika. But 7? Wala pong... Let's see who's coming. Wait, I'll try to read your names. 6, 7. Press 1 if you guys are coming. Oh no, Taurus. Sabi, dami nagsasabing malayo. Ayan, merong present. Ay, 2. Si Risha. I'll see you tomorrow, Risha. Kate. See you tomorrow, Kate. Jermaine. Saan mo nalagay, sister? Takoyaki main, limay. Ayan. Rika. I'll see you tomorrow. See you, Celestia. 2 minutes, guys. I have to go. Mag-ayos pa kami. We're here now, actually. At the venue. I hope you guys can make it. Ayan, no. Pressed 1. Lovely, sorry, I wasn't able to read. Lovely May. Si JC 1, 2 pa. Ano, hindi ka sure? Papaalam pa daw. Okay. Kay Jen. See you tomorrow, Jen. Guys, huwag kayong mag-gift. Please. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Oh no. I have to move. See you. We'll be here at 12. I'll say all the details again. We'll be here at 12 p.m. So you guys can come here as early as 12 p.m. And the first 80 people who come will have an exclusive gift from Tally. And it's located here at Pioneer X Studio with an S. Studio floor. I posted it on my Rainbow app. Uy, wag kayo mag-gift. Nag-gift sila eh. Sabi ko wag kayo mag-gift. Dito na lang kayo mag-gift for a cause. Ang layo daw. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys. You wanna say hi? Hindi yung... okay lang yung white mo.
I just wanted the derma.
Nagsiset up kami. Okay. Bye guys. Good night. Sleep well everyone. We're just gonna finish setting up here. I'm so excited to see you all tomorrow. I'm inviting you all once again to come here. Alam mo dapat ang tawag dito beloved, hindi pre-loved.
Yes.
Joke lang. I'm so excited to see you guys tomorrow. So we're just gonna set up. If you guys, sa mga hindi pa alam ulit, the details are posted on my Rainbow app account. Kung tama yung sinabi ko. Yes. See you guys. Good night.